Amidst tight security to stand in solidarity with the victims of Mukroh shooting incident, 5 pressure groups today held a sit-in demonstration at Kiangnangba Statue Civil Hospital Junction. The pressure groups, namely KSU, RBYF, FKJGP, JSU and HYNF, informed that there will be a series of agitations in the coming days. Talking to DD News, KSU General Secretary Donald Thaba informed that all the NGOs here in Shillong protested against the high-handed attitude of the Assam government regarding the recent killing of innocent civilians by the Assam police. He further added that the Meghalaya government should take concrete steps to prevent such atrocities in the future by providing adequate security measures in the border villages. Besides the sit-in protest today, they are also holding a candlelight vigil in solidarity with the victims.
To express our anguish with regards to the 22nd November unprovoked firing by the forest officials and police officials of the Assam government onto the unarmed civilians of Mukroh and its adjoining villages. Assam not only intrude inside the borders into Meghalaya, but it also committed atrocities and committed heinous crimes against the Khasis of Meghalaya. So the Mukroh incident is not the first incident where the high-handedness of the government of Assam has been observed. It had happened since the state's 50 years establishment. We have seen that many atrocities are being committed by officials from the government inside the borders of Meghalaya.
The state government has suspended mobile phone internet